Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy Paladin Hawthorne, and I'm here with another huge unboxing from Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or any of the products that are mentioned in this unboxing. I purchased this with all my own money, but I would love to be sponsored by Amazon. I'd love to be sponsored by any of these products. But these are all things that I did the Amazon subscribe and save with, and yeah, so these are all things I enjoy. And probably we'll have a taste test and reviews of all of them. So we got the Quest S'mores. This is a protein bar, 4 net carbs, so 22 carbs, 14 grams of fiber, 4 grams of erythritol, 4 net carbs. This is Quest protein bar, white chocolate raspberry. I'll just show you the front and back. We've got Blue Diamond Almonds, bold, spicy dill pickle. So if you want to pause, you can pause and look at the macros if you want. We got Jack's Link's teriyaki beef jerky. So, yeah. So I try and have healthier snacks, especially like watching a movie or got 2 of these guys, Jack's Original Big Beef Sticks. Lunchbox ready. Yeah, buddy. Jack's Link's Jalapeno Carne Seca Beef Jerky. This feels great today, but tomorrow, woo! But it tastes delicious. Slow cooked with fiery jalapeno chili peppers. It's one of my absolute favorite flavors. They sent me, oh yeah. I actually have not tried this yet, but I have a few of them. I can only imagine how hot it is. But this is the Jack's Link's Wild Heat. So pretty soon I'll be doing a taste test of this one. I'm behind on doing these. They have a 2-pack on Amazon. The beef jerky wild heat. This one's kind of be a savor, slow cooked in hardwood smoke. There's gonna be some hot ones right there, buddy. We got Premier Protein Shake. This is Cookies and Cream, one of my absolute favorites. This tastes exactly like Oreos. It's delicious. I did a taste test and review of that. And last but not least, in this box, we got the Quest Nutrition 12-pack tortilla chips. This is the loaded taco flavor. So these have far less carbs than a traditional chip. It's in a smaller bag. You know, it's like your traditional like vending machine size bag. But when you're needing that fix and you're trying to live a low-carb, low-sugar life, it gets the job done. If you notice, everything in this unboxing is low-carb, low-sugar. And that's how I've lost over 230 pounds and counting, is finding healthier versions. Now, I still indulge. I still have tortilla chips. You know, if you see on top of my fridge, you know, I'm not perfect, but this helps. This is 4 net carbs. So 5 carbs minus 1 gram of fiber equals 4 net carbs. So yeah, I'm not perfect, but man, these really help get the job done. It satiates that, you know, that fix that you need. So leave a comment below and let me know some of your favorite things in this video. If you have a recommendation for other things to do a taste test of, to check out. I prefer low carb, low sugar, no carb, no sugar if possible, but I do indulge. Leave a comment below. I wish you the best, and have a great day.